Hello everyone, this is the Budgetarian Tech Review. My name is Mimi and sasamahan ko kayo mag-check ng mga equipment at gamit na pang home office na pasok sa ating budget. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Ayan, so guys, for today's video, we're gonna unbox another package from Plextone. Ayan, so thank you Plextone for sending us another work from home equipment that we can use. This one is a headset, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. So I like that they pack this really well. Like, hindi siya yung basta lang naka-plastic. And this is actually from their Shopee online shop. Ayan. So, pwede nyo itong ma-order sa Shopee, guys. From their official Plextone Shopee shop. And, ayan. So, very secure yung packaging, which I like. And then, ayan. So, you will see here the box already. Ayan. So, this is their gaming headset, the G800. So here's the box. I'll show it to you. And there. Okay. And so I think, so this particular model, guys, comes in two colors, which is the gray and the black. And they sent us the gray one. Ayan, so try natin siya i-open. Ayan, so there's nothing here. Let's just put it on one side. Then, you will see right away the unit. So, gusto ko yung color na to, which is gray. It's one of my favorite colors. And, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang parang orange dito sa loob. So, gray and orange is a very good color combination. Parang napaka-modern niya, no? And this one comes in a 3mm audio jack. Ayan. Makikita nyo dito, sabi dyan, Plextone Model G800. Ayan, makikita nyo siya dyan. So, let's put this aside. Okay. And then, let's check what else is inside the package. So, of course, it comes with the instruction manual. Meron naman siyang instruction manual. And then, it also comes with an extension cord. So, pakita ko siya sa inyo dyan. Ayan. And there. Ayan. I think this is for when you need to plug it in a computer. Tapos, kailangan mo ng separate for microphone and for audio jack. Let's see. Ito yung may split. Oo, ayan nga siya. Parang split ano siya. Split cord. And then, ito yung extension. Lalagay niyo siya dito. Ayan. And then, it also comes with the warranty voucher card. There. Okay. So, very simple lang, guys, yung laman niya. Let's discuss about the parts. So, this is the main unit, diba? Ito yung kanyang mic. Ayan. And then, you will see here the design on the side. Ayan. This is also microscopic, so you can move it around without it breaking. Same thing on the other side. Ayan. And then, here din, sa may side ng microphone, makikita nyo dyan yung dial up and down niya for volume. So, you can adjust it on the headset itself. So, let's try wearing it. And this is a little, medyo malaki siya sa ulo ko, guys. Pero, you'd think with this size na mabigat siya, it's actually not. It's very lightweight, which I like. And hindi rin ganun kasikip yung sa ears niya. Ayan. But, I can see that it vacuums the air. So, parang noise reduction siya. Especially if you're gonna use this for gaming. It looks really good. Especially if you're going for the minimalistic industrial look. So, try natin siya sa phone natin if kung ano yung sound niya. By the way, guys, you can use this on your computer your cell phone, Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch. So, bago natin siya i-try, guys, I will flash the feature, guys, of the G800 gaming headset on your screen. Ayan. So, yung dial niya pala, guys, if you scroll it down, then yun yung pang volume up niya. Baliktad. And then, yung pa-up is yung volume down. Try natin mag-play ng yung may bass talaga. Maganda siya, guys, in fairness. Based sa tatlo na Plextone na sinend na nila from before, talagang ito yung pinakabuo yung base for me. Second, yung first ni-review natin. And ito talaga, if you're listening to something, talaga wala ka ng ibang maririnig. So, kung ikaw yung tipong gusto mo na you wanna block out the world, then this is good for you as in. Actually, yung mga headset ni Plextone, pansin ko lang, like yung mga gaming nila na wired, maganda talaga yung sound blocking nila. Like, hindi mo halos maririnig yung environment mo. So, now na na-test na natin yung sound, which is I really like, let's try their microphone naman. So, I'm gonna record this. Ayan. So, right now, I'm using the G800 recorder and we'll see how the sound or the microphone sounds ko. Okay siya. Okay din siya, guys. Malinis siya. May konting white noise from the background. Pero, pwede nyo rin gamitin to for work at home. Like, if you are gonna use this for Zoom meetings or for Google Hangouts or Skype conversations. Yes, okay din to, guys. So, make sure na lang na gamitin nyo tong double jack for microphone and for yung audio. And so far, I like this. Para siya talagang professional looking and industrial yung look niya. Siguro, this look better on like guys. Pero even with girls, no, maganda din siya. Parang ang linis nung look niya. It's clean. It doesn't look, alam mo yon, plastic. Kasi matte yung finish niya. So, I really like the color. Siguro, one thing lang na missing dito is yung stand. Mas maganda sana kung pagkatapos mo siyang gamitin. Alam mo yun, may pagpapatungan kang ganyan, diba, doon sa desk mo. But yeah, so overall, I would rate this a 4.5 for a budgetarian review because of the price. Ito siya, i-flash ko dito. You can get it from Shopee. The link is also below. And, ayun nga, alam mo yun, parang matibay siya. Hindi siya yung kagaya nitong microphone. Pwede mo siyang i-move or i-bend without it breaking. Tapos, even like this part here is sobrang high quality and well-made. Kahit yung dito sa taas, you will see that it's soft. So, kahit suotin mo siya ng matagal, hindi ka like may irritate dito sa head part mo. And yun nga, maganda din yung sound blocking niya for a gaming headset. So, if you're looking for a good gaming headset, you can get the G800 Plextone. The link is below. Ayun, sana nakatulong ako sa paghanap nyo in your search for a good quality headset na budget-friendly. So, that's it guys for our review today. Very quick lang. I just wanted to share this headset that is sent to us by Plextone. So, if you're interested, the link is below. And I'd like to thank you for watching and I will see you guys for another review and work from home video next time. Bye!